Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker and the HiCOZY Countertop Ice Maker. In this video, we'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one is the best fit for your home or office. Let's get started. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker produces chewable nugget ice, which is known for its slow melting and unique texture, making it ideal for drinks. In contrast, the HiCOZY Countertop Ice Maker produces standard cube and small ice, which is versatile but lacks the chewable quality of nugget ice. Depending on your preference for ice texture, this could be a significant factor in your decision. When it comes to ice production, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker stands out with a capacity of 35 pounds of ice per day, making it suitable for larger gatherings or frequent use. The HiCOZY, while still efficient, produces 26 pounds of ice per day. If you need a higher output, the Kismile may be the better choice. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $219, reflecting its advanced features and higher ice production capacity. On the other hand, the HiCOZY Countertop Ice Maker is a more budget-friendly option at $119, making it an attractive choice for those looking for functionality without breaking the bank. In conclusion, both the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker and the HiCOZY Countertop Ice Maker offer unique advantages. If you prioritize nugget ice and higher production rates, the Kismile is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more affordable and portable option, the HiCOZY is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.